morning, everybody. Rick Hess here with Bull Bay Rods, coming to you from ICAST Orlando 2023. I'm here today to talk to you about the Bull Bay Fly Rods. First one up is the TAC-X Fly that we build right here in Central Florida in our facility in Lakeland. TAC-X Fly, high modulus, extra fast, graphite fly rod, all 4 pieces, carbon fiber handle, super lightweight, great transfer of sensitivity and great feel for when you're casting and feeling the rod load. Carbon fiber reel seat. Also, check this out, CERACOIL recoil guides from REC, American made guides as well. All 4-piece models come with the carbon fiber rod tube rod stock, and these rods we developed to be extra fast action but still feel the load. And as you'll see throughout our entire fly rod line, they're fast actions, but you can still feel the fly rod load as you cast it. So from beginner to advanced, you're going to find a rod that fits your casting style. TAC-X Fly comes to you at $7.99 retail for line weights 4 weight through 12 weight, all 4-piece models.